In this video, we will show you how to use Valuate's Property and Scenario Comparison module. Starting from any file, go to the File menu and select Compare Files. You have two choices for the type of file you can compare: the default selected long-term hold or flip files, which you can toggle to by clicking on the word flip. Select up to 9 files and then click Select Files. Next, you can sort the files if you would like from left to right as shown from top to bottom. So if I wanted the Lawrence Apartments file to show up in the leftmost column, I simply click on it and drag it up. Then I click the Compare Files button. Now I'm on the Comparison module screen, and you'll see I have 3 transaction analyses situated side by side. When I scroll down, we'll see that the headers are maintained such that I can keep track of which property or which analysis I'm looking at in each column. All values that are shown in the bold blue font can be changed right here within the comparison module. For instance, if I wanted to change the cap rate for the Kent Apartments, I can do that right here. I can always edit the comparison set by clicking on the Edit Comparison button and then choosing a new set of files. In addition, I can navigate back to any of the individual files simply by clicking on the scenario name under that column header for that property.